Guys, what's up? It's just Marc, and in this 3-part video series, we're gonna talk to you about business. We're gonna talk to you about how to actually start making money, how to actually grow your income, and how to actually grow your career, your finances, and just become a lot more successful in terms of wealth generation and building finances for the long term. So we're gonna actually break this 3-part video series down into 3 videos where firstly, we're gonna be talking about mindset. That's the first thing that's going to be talked about in the first video. Then we're gonna be talking about investing in yourself, investing in your learning, investing time, investing money. That's gonna be the second video. And the third video is gonna be about creating value, understanding how to create value in the marketplace, give value to the world, and become successful in doing so. So I want you to sit back, get ready. It's gonna be an awesome 3-part video series where we teach you about how to make money, how to grow wealth, and just how to become a lot more successful in general.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Bro, I want you to understand something, okay? This is a 3-part video series where you can actually learn how to make money, learn how to improve your skills, learn how to improve your income and your financial situation like I have. Honestly, 5 years ago, I was broke as fuck, I was a scrub, and now I do really fucking well for myself, okay? And I've done really well in my life, in my career. I made hundreds of thousands of fucking dollars, pretty much working, a couple days a week, each week, and for the most part, just traveling, having fun, partying, meeting beautiful women. But I've done that by learning how to create fuck tons of value for others. So make sure to watch part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this video series, and let's just jump straight into it. Guys, just shooting a 3-part video series about business, entrepreneurship, investing, success, financial success. Pretty cool stuff. All right, so guys, I just filmed a Snapchat video. I'm gonna post on my Instagram, my Snapchat. And what did I just do there? Well, essentially what I'm doing is I'm adding value. Finding ways to add value, create value out of nothing. That's a very powerful skill. And what am I doing and how's it adding value? Well, let's see. Okay, on social media, a lot of people are bored, they're at home, right? They're not doing anything, and they see, oh, this cool guy is doing this cool thing, creating content, etc. Well, this creates value for me. This makes people associate that value with me, and therefore anyone watching my content like you are right now, or anybody, sitting at home on Instagram, following me on Instagram at DrunkJustin2, right? Anyone following me who's bored, looking at my memes, looking at my fun TikTok videos, looking at me doing cool things, well, they're gonna be like, oh, this is interesting. This guy's adding value and creating engagement. And then every now and then, whenever I want money, I will post on my Instagram, on my Snapchat saying, hey guys, I am taking on some clients for personal mentoring because I only take on about 3 people per month for high-level personal mentoring, right? Now, this type of mentoring, I do so many different random projects. Like I have projects that make me tens of thousands of dollars. Then every now and then, just out of a passion project type thing, I'll take on a few clients for either dating training or business consulting, right? And I will charge them anywhere from like $3,000 to $30,000, depending on the client, depending what it's for, depending the length, etc. And so the way this works is very interesting, right? Because I'm creating engagement, because I'm adding value to my social media, people watch that and then they almost become addicted to my content. And then what happens is, because they're like consuming my content, when I post something adding value, say, hey, go to my website, online-section.com, get a copy of my course, or hey, message me if you are interested in this coaching program. Well, essentially what happens is 99.99% of the people who watch my stories, who watch my Snapchat stories, my Instagram stories, my social media posts, my YouTube content, they will never pay me $1. 99.99% of the people who consume my material will never fucking pay me $1. Out of 13 million views I have on my YouTube channel, probably more than that, out of the 50 million, 60 million plus views I have on YouTube through the collaborations I've done, out of the tens of millions of views I have on TikTok, out of all the people who have ever seen my fucking face, 99.99% of these people will never pay me a penny, really. Maybe besides like YouTube ad revenue where I get like a penny per 1,000 views or whatever the fuck. I'm probably not making a whole lot of money through my content. But because I have such a big reach, engagement, through social media, through the internet, well, I'm still able to, let's even say I get 50 to 100 clients per year paying me a few $1,000s each. That's a lot of fucking money, right? That can add up. So think about it even this way. if you could get 5 clients per month paying you $2,000 to do something that adds a fuck ton of value to their life, you're making 10 grand a month. That's $120,000 a year. Isn't that pretty amazing? Just from 5 clients per month, right? So imagine this. Imagine you're a professional videographer. You're great at videography. It's a great skill you have. And you have 5 clients. Maybe one of them is like BMW, a certain BMW location in your city, right? The second is a restaurant. The third is some sort of like digital marketer who does like online marketing stuff. The fourth is like some YouTuber who you do, content creation for. And the fifth is, like your uncle who is a gold buyer and seller. And anyway, so you get the point. You got 5 clients, right? You charge each of them a $2,000 retainer for videography, content creation, and you spend maybe a few hours with each client each week. Well, what's amazing about this is just from having those 5 clients on a $2,000 annual retainer, at the end of the year, each of them are paying you, what is that, like $24,000, right? So at the end of the year, you're literally making about $120,000, right? And you've done that just by adding value to these people's lives, by helping them create content, by helping them, add value to their business, marketing, production, social media stuff. Like they can use this content, they can use this material for anything they want. They can use it for social media, they can use it for advertising, they can use it for whatever the fuck they want. But because you're adding value, helping them create wealth in their business, they're able to compensate you financially. So you need to figure out how you can add value to the marketplace. What is the marketplace? Well, look at humans in general, okay? Look at me and you. If you were one of my clients, right? It's a marketplace. Anybody you know, people in general, it's a marketplace. The internet is a marketplace. Your own network, your own social network is a marketplace. So you gotta realize that as humans, we have needs and wants. Not every single person has, what you need to give to them, but a lot of people will. So let's say you're really good at sales and I just so happen to be hiring a sales guy. Well, now I might hire you to do sales for me on commission, and you get like a 10% commission of any revenue you generate. And maybe you start generating me, $100,000 a month, and I give you 10% of that. So now you start making 10 grand a month just from doing sales for me, right? And that 10 grand a month, that might just be like 1 client per month, right? You might be able to close a $100,000 contract for me, right? And then you generate, $10,000, right? Or let's say a company wants to sponsor me. They want to sponsor my YouTube content, and you have a connection in that company, and it's like a $600,000 deal, and you plug us, the deal goes through, and you get like a 5% commission. Well, you just generated $30,000 just by being the plug. So essentially, in order to create value, all you need to do is offer value to create a win-win dynamic. You need to create win-wins. That's how you can actually create value and make money. So there's so many different ways to actually create value to others and sell it, right? Now, one thing you do need to learn is business skills, such as marketing, such as sales, negotiation, different things that will allow you to optimize your ability to earn income, make money, and just live an awesome life in general. Because a lot of business skills, it's so funny how they can affect the rest of your life. Like for example, sales and negotiation. Well, let's say you have a girlfriend and she's arguing with you. Well, now you can use your sales and negotiation skills to kind of defuse the situation and make sure you come out on top of the win-win, right? Let's say you want to post a cool picture on Instagram and you want a lot of people to like it. Well, you can actually use marketing skills such as copywriting to ensure that you're demanding engagement or you're adding a fuck ton of value, so therefore people will engage with your piece of content. So it's funny how business skills, we all really have them. At the end of the day, everyone has business skills. Either you're good at those business skills or you suck shit, right? A lot of people are just naturally good with it. A lot of people naturally fucking suck too. So you just want to learn through practice, through learning, and through figuring out ways to offer value to others, right? And it's so similar to dating even, because like think about this. If you could offer a ton of value to an intimate partner, well, do you think that intimate partner would want to stick around if you are adding a ton of value to their life, giving them good emotions, making them happy, just providing them an amazing experience that no one else can offer them? Of course that partner would want to stick around, right? Well, you want to do the same thing in your business, with your income. You want to add value to the marketplace. You want to create wealth from nothing. You want to do it through your skills. It's not coming from nothing, it's coming from within. It's coming from you, inside you, right? And so you want to figure out what you're good at and what you can actually make money off of. Maybe it's graphic design, right? Maybe you do like freelance graphic work, graphic design, photo editing, or whatever the fuck it is, and you go on websites such as Fiverr or Upwork and you offer your digital services to others, right? For example, recently, I hired a man named Mohammed from Egypt to do my YouTube banner, right? And it's awesome. It looks great, it comes out amazing, and he charges me a cheap rate. I paid him like 70 Canadian dollars, so like 50 US dollars, right? But in Egypt, that's quite a bit of money, right? So it's an awesome win-win dynamic, right? And so it's amazing how much you can actually create when you can figure out an effective business model, as well as an effective win-win, a way to offer value to others through a skill that you're really good at. So just think about so many different ways to make money. There's so many different ways to make money if you think about it. Like, I mean, I probably have like 20 to 30 different ways each year that I have income come through. So I can't even think about it. And I'm not like some business guru. I'm not some fucking dude out there selling business training courses. Maybe I should, I don't fucking know. But like, I wouldn't even consider myself an expert with business. Sure, I have a bachelor's degree with business. Sure, I run multiple successful streams of income. But I wouldn't even fully consider myself an expert with business. But I do understand it more than 99% of people for the most part, right? And so there's so many different fucking ways to create wealth from nothing. You want to develop skills, and the best skills you can develop are what we call high income skills. Develop skills that are monetizable. Develop skills that you can make a lot of money from. So again, there's so many different fucking skills you can learn right now, such as copywriting, such as sales, such as online marketing, such as funnels, such as really fucking anything, okay? Well, if you think about it, flipping burgers isn't necessarily a high income skill because you're easily replaceable. The trick to actually making a lot of money is being able to develop skills that you can offer in the marketplace, but being not easily to replace. So here's a great example of this, right? I do not like hiring a new marketing guy or a new sales guy because it is a bitch and a half to train these people, right? At the same time, hiring a new video editor oftentimes is pretty fucking easy, right? Or hiring, someone to, do my food delivery, or a cleaner from my apartment, or a person to, Uber Eats, right? Those are skills, and I guess you could say career paths that have such a low barrier to entry that anybody could fucking do it, and therefore you're easily replaceable. Well, your income will be directly correlated with how easy you are to replace. So why have I been very successful with, income and wealth generation? Well, I spent literally 8 years, every single fucking day for 8 years. If you think about this, is fucked up. Every day for 8 years, going out to practice social skills, improve my communication, teach others to do that as well, and get really good with dating in general. Okay? Because if you want to get really good at, picking up girls, you got to get good at dating in general. So I spent 8 years every single day for 8 years doing that. I literally went out every single day for 1,000 days plus. Even during the coronavirus lockdowns, I would find ways to practice my social skills, such as going on Omegle, using dating apps like Tinder, going on Tinder dates, having girls come straight over from Tinder, going to different networking events that weren't breaking the lockdown rules. Just so many different ways to ensure that I am socializing myself properly so I maintain my social skills. So many different ways to learn and grow. And in doing so, I've literally spent essentially every single day for the last 8 years going out every day to practice my social skills. I've probably missed less than 60 days in that time period of going out. So that means over the last 8 years, I virtually almost every single day, I've gone out to practice social skills, meet girls, make friends, network, party, have fun, and improve that area of my life without drinking, without doing drugs, and just improve myself in general, self-improvement, right? So imagine this. Most people don't fucking do that. Most people will not dedicate 8 years, almost a decade of their fucking life to that area of their life, right? And so as a high-level consultant with dating, social skills, social freedom, and just understanding how social skills work, online dating, just dating in general, human-female social dynamics, male to female social dynamics, relationships, etc. Most people won't fucking do that, right? Therefore, I'm not very replaceable. It's very difficult to find someone who can give the same insights, perspective, coaching curriculums that I can, right? And there are probably a handful of people on the planet who know as much as me with this material or more, right? And what that essentially means is I can charge a lot of fucking money for special coaching, for special services, for special, certain things, and therefore I can make a lot of fucking money doing this, right? And so you want to be irreplaceable when it comes to the value you're offering. When you're offering value to others, you want to essentially make yourself irreplaceable, therefore you can charge a lot of fucking money. And the best way to do that is by mastering a skill. So find a skill that you can actually master. Master a skill, and make sure this skill is not something that anybody can master very easily. Make sure it's something that you are passionate about, you're good at, that you want to master, and you want to dedicate years of your life to. And down the road, you will be able to charge a lot of fucking money for that same skill. And you want to actually find, a skill that also you can make a lot of money from. So the best skills, again, are high income skills that are difficult to replicate, such as sales, negotiation, funnels, marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, like learning things like this. If you can master those skills, right? These are things I haven't necessarily mastered, but if you can master some of those skills, what's amazing is you can now contact 7, 8, 9-figure companies and say, hey, I will do Facebook ads for you guys, and you just pay me this much money, right? Or you just pay me this much commission. Because think about it, if you're really good at Facebook ads and you're generating a company $1 million a month, because they're already pulling in millions of dollars a month, some of these businesses out there, right? You contact some massive fucking company, right? For example, I have a buddy named Ali, and he actually works with Nike, but he does like AI stuff. He does like some next level fucking like tech shit, right? But because he's so difficult to replace, he makes great fucking money. One of my old students, his name's Avin. Avin just got hired to work with Twitter, getting paid $500,000 a year in the Silicon Valley. Why? Because Avin also does like AI stuff, and he's a really fucking smart dude. He's an engineer, super high level. Because he has these high level skills and this specific background, he's very difficult to replace, and therefore he's able to make a lot of fucking money. So you want to eventually make yourself irreplaceable, develop high level skills, high income skills, and monetize those by creating a fuck ton of value in the marketplace. All right, guys, my name is Justin Marc. Thank you so much for watching my 3-part business series about pretty much the introduction to business, how to actually start making money from nothing, from scratch, how to start offering value to society, and making a fuck ton of money in doing so. There's so many different ways to do this. So if you haven't watched part 1, part 2, and part 3, make sure to go do that right now. My name is Justin Marc, and I love connecting with you guys. I love helping you guys live a better fucking life. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to follow me on all my social medias, link in the description. You can join my Telegram Inner Circle group. You can actually follow me on my Instagram, DrunkJustin2. And you can also add me on Snapchat, and you can watch my daily stories. You can get in touch with me, and if you guys message me some positivity, I promise I reply to every single message. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And if you have any questions about new videos I should film, leave a comment down below as well. Make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video if you liked this content, because that helps me on the YouTube algorithm, and it also lets me know I'm doing a great fucking job. And if you don't like this video, make sure to leave a dislike and fuck you. Just teasing. So lastly, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Justin Marc. Click the bell notification so you're notified of new videos, and we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. Talk to you soon. Peace out.